Select the right amount of soy wax to pour into the melting cup, and place in the center of the heater. Turn on the heater, third setting recommended. Take out a thermometer and measure the temperature of the candle as it melts. After applying the candle wick sticker, secure the wick to the bottom center of the candle jar. Then place the candle wick holder. Pick your favorite candle color block and put it in a melting cup. Turn off the heater and use a stirring to speed up the melting of the color blocks. Choose your favorite aromatherapy and pour an appropriate amount into the melting cup and stir to fully incorporate. Then take the melted soy wax and pour it into the candle cups. Before the soy wax sets, add your favorite dried flowers. Once you have waited for the soy wax to set, use scissors to cut off the excess candle wick. At this point, your own scented candle is made. We can light the scented candles to enjoy the peace and tranquility brought by the aroma.